Hi everyone. Now I'm going to share with you on how to do the proper squats. Okay, doing squats. So doing squats is a very good workout for the lower body, leg workout, especially for your glutes, which is the butt, for your thigh, the quadriceps, the hamstrings, and your calves. Now, this video exercise is mainly intended for females, for girls. I know that a lot of females or girls like to do squats, air squats, jump squats, squat jacks, or many other variations of squats. So let's get started. Alright, first I'm going to face this way. So when you stand straight, make sure that your feet, the distance of your feet is wider than your shoulder. So here, if you notice, the distance of my feet are wider than my shoulder. The wider it is, the better. Okay? The effective is much better. So, wider than my shoulder. Now, when you go down to do squats, second, always remember that avoid moving your knees beyond your toe. You should not do it. So first, you have to, from standing position, you have to focus on your hips going back, not your knees going forward, but going back like this, just like sitting down on a chair. So from here, your hands is placed here, so that if ever you fall, you might fall, you can protect yourself, right? So from here, butt out and try to sit down. Do a squat. And notice my knees doesn't have to place beyond my toes. My knees is behind from my toes. And my butt is out. And out. That's it. Butt out. The knees are not beyond my toes. Inside. The knees inside, not outside. No, it should be here. And back straight and butt out. And out. The lower you can, the better. So the lower you squat, that's the better. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. Okay? Now we'll see if you have problems with your knees or hips and you cannot squat down lower than like this. So you can use it, you can modify and use your chair in the house, in the office. So let me grab this. So for example, you notice there's a chair, right? Now use your chair as your exercise partner. So from this position, hold on like this. So here. So my feet are wider apart than my shoulder. The feet wider than the shoulder. Okay. Then tip number 1, butt out, knees in. Butt out, knees in. Not beyond the toe. So go down and just sit. Right? So sitting down. And then up. And a squat exercise right there. See? And notice, if you notice, my knees didn't go beyond my toes. Not like that, no. It's a no-go. Knees in, butt out. Okay, so from standing position, butt out, knees in. Stand up, butt out, knees in. There. See that? So there you have it. That's how to do the squats, the proper squat workout, especially to those females for girls. And hope this training video will be able to help you a lot. Right? Just do it diligently, patiently, do it correctly and constantly. Right? And you will be having your improved lower body, especially your glutes, your back, your thigh, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves. And of course, it helps your abdominal muscle also. Okay? Feel free to ask questions. Okay? Please subscribe in my YouTube channel for more physical fitness training, martial arts, self-defense, and boxing. See you in the next exercise.